welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So today we are going to see the review for academic morning slot. This is for 28th of August 2021. We will see the review for listening, reading, writing, and the answers for reading and writing will also be shown. The passages for section 1 and section 3 of the same reading will be uploaded in our Telegram channel, so don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels, IELTS Practice World, where we are uploading for self-preparation. Each day one module is uploaded with timing and sample so that you can know whether you are going to do all the tasks in time or not, and these are all latest questions. If you want to write about 8 essays and 7.5 essays, then you can buy our book from Amazon, or you can ping me directly on the given number and buy the PDF, which has not only the sample answers of the latest question but also the vocabulary, the structure, and topic wise ideas for almost 20 topics which are common for IELTS. So if you want to buy it, please message me, WhatsApp me on the given number. So as you can see, the predictions were exactly the same for academic students. They got pie chart, the combination of pie chart. They got 4 pie charts. I'll be showing you the review where you could get the sample answer and the exact question. Okay, so the task 1 was pie chart, and task 2 was cause solution. Okay, and the same question that we had predicted in our September, you can see the writing task 2 predicted August essays. We got the same question, that is, many people believe that today there is a general increase in antisocial behavior and lack of respect for others. What might have caused the situation? How can we improve it? So what are the cause and what are the solution? So this question come exactly as it is in our real exam as well. So whenever we upload a predicted video, whenever we give that please go through the expected questions, don't take it as a fake, or everyone is saying so we should also do. These things are to help you gather your ideas and structures and prepare in the best possible way with minimum hard work but more smart work. So the question was related to lifestyle. Okay, the essay topic was related to lifestyle, and every prediction has gone true, as well as listening and reading were also same. Listening was easy, reading was moderate. You can go and check the prediction video, and also you can check the review video, and you can cross check whether we are telling late or not. So do go through all the videos that we upload for prediction. We have already uploaded that what kind of speaking will be coming and what is the prediction for 4th September as well. And later on, after seeing the 4th September video, we'll be discussing how other exams are going to be. So don't miss out. Click on that bell icon so that you are notified with the latest possible predictions that we upload for you to prepare for your exams in the best way. We are also starting our new batch for writing and reading. So if you want to enroll in that, please message me on WhatsApp on the given number that we showed earlier. That will be starting on 13th September. So let's start our review. So let's start with writing. So here is the information about the new 2-week writing and 1-week reading express course, where we'll not only solve a complete passage each day, that will be 2 hours. Okay, 1 week reading will be 2 hours detailed class, where we will be having we'll discuss each question wise. Along with that, we'll be solving 2 passages every day, so that you get the practice and utilize whatever we read then and there. As well as for writing 2 weeks course, we'll be discussing the question types, the structure, the vocabulary. Also, we will be gathering ideas for some of the questions that may be coming for September and October exam. So we will not do something that we have done, but we will be doing the questions that may come in our future exams. So this batch will start from 13th September. If you want to enroll on these courses, writing and reading, you may WhatsApp me on the given number for further details. So writing task 2, as I said, it was from our predicted list. Many people believe that today there is a general increase in antisocial behavior and lack of respect for others. So what are the causes and what are the solutions? So why people have become antisocial? So what can be the cause for this? So you have to start a introduction, and you have to say, paraphrase it, and then say what you are going to do in this essay. Then in your body paragraph 1, you are going to write the issues, the causes that lead to this antisocial behavior. So you can say because they are living in nuclear family, they do not have any interaction with other people, they are engrossed in technology, that is mobile phones, so they don't have time to talk with each other, so they become compact with themselves, and they do not have any communication with the outer world, leading them to deviate themselves as to how they speak with others. Okay, and then you can also say that because they spend time alone, the father and the mother are working and they are alone, so they do not know, no one is there to teach them how to do that. So you can write your ideas as per your knowledge. And then in the second body paragraph, you have to write the solution. So what can be the solutions for this? So educate youngsters, educate the parents and the teachers should educate them in school and at home. They should show them, be a role model. And also if they are they live in a joint family, maybe they should go to different events, different functions in a family, so that they can see others, interact with others, and know how each other should be respected. So these can be some of the solutions. So one paragraph problems, one paragraph cause, one paragraph solution you had to write, and then you had to conclude what it can be. So this PDF will be uploaded on our website and Telegram. So you can just check the link in the description box and you will get that. For task 1, it was a combination of a 4 pie chart. This was the pie chart about a survey. The below shows the results of a survey conducted by a university library to find out the opinions of full-time and part-time students about its services. So you had 2 services for 2 type of students, full-time and part-time. One was the support offered and other was the opening hours. So in this, you can write in 2 ways. Either segregate full-time in body paragraph 1 and part-time in body paragraph 2. So you can write all the percentage about full-time students. So full-time students were maximum for very happy about the support offered, but 87% were quite very happy about the opening hours. So you will cover support offered and opening hour both in body paragraph 1 if you are writing about full-time students. In body paragraph 2, write about part-time students, how they felt about support offered and about opening hours. So this is one way. Another way to segregate is that in body paragraph 1, write about the support offered. Okay, so how full-time and part-time both felt about the support offered in BP1, and then in BP2, write about how they felt about opening hours. So either this or that, you can segregate and write accordingly. So this is the sample answer. Is you can see there is a intro which has only 2 lines, that over paraphrasing the question. Then in overall, you can write which was highest, which was lowest, or whether they were very happy or less happy. Then I am writing in body paragraph 1, I'm writing about support. Okay, so I'm writing about support offered. So how full-time students felt and how part-time students felt, I have written that. And then in opening hours, I have written how full-time felt and how half-time felt. So you should use more of percentage language. You should use adjectives. As you can see here, you have then more, less than a third. Okay, less than a third. Then you can see same, almost the same proportion, over 3 folds larger, relative figures, around, about. So these kind of prepositions and vocabulary for percentage has been used. So you should use more percentage vocabulary and lots of adjectives, comparative adjectives when you are doing your task 1. Listening was easy as we had told. Listenings are coming easy. So listening section 1 was one word gap fill, that was easy. Section 2 was selection of letter and multiple choice question, that was also easy. Section 3 was quite moderate because of MCQ that are large and matching information. Section 4 was one word gap fill, again easy. So overall it was easy. Reading was moderate. Section 1 So reading was moderate. Section 1 was called Health in the Wild, which has true, false, not given, table completion, and summary completion. These are the answers for table and summary completion. The passage I will upload on my Telegram channel by night. So please go to Telegram channel and be ready. I'll be uploading the section 1, that is uh, passage 1 and passage 3 in my Telegram. I have only passage 1 and passage 3. Whenever I get passage 2, I'll be sharing that alone. So the answers were true, not given, false, false, pith, terpenes, alkaloids, detoxify, hooks, and then it was summary completion, GDEC. So passage 1 was this, true, false, not given, table completion, and summary. Passage 2 was called evaluation of science, that had multiple choice questions, select the correct option, and yes, no, not given. I do not have the passage, so I do not have the answer for the same. I will be uploading as soon as I get it. Section 3 was called history of fingerprinting, and the questions were true, false, not given, headings, and two-word gap fill. These are the answers for passage 3. The heading 5, 10, 1, 4, 8, and 7. Then it was gap fill question. Gap fill questions were human characteristics, identical twins, signature. And then true, false, not given, false, true, not given, false, true. So this was the review of the questions that had come. I'll be uploading on my Telegram. The link for the Telegram will be given in the description box. So please go through it to get the passages as soon as possible. Hope you like the video and you will prepare accordingly. As soon as we get our evening slot and listening answers, we'll be uploading that as well. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that bell icon, buy our essay book, and enroll for the new intensive writing and reading course that we are starting from 13 September. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.